So you're here today to find out how to check for hail.
What I'm about to show you guys is for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners that want to learn how to check if your house has hail damage, storm damage, wind damage. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a ladder that's nice and sturdy and secure. At a glance, I mean, what are you really looking for? Right? I mean, you're looking at your roof. You're a homeowner, you haven't replaced your roof in 2-3 years, and you live in San Antonio. More than likely, you got hit by hail in 16 or 17, or years prior, or in the upcoming years. But if you're on your roof and you're wondering if you have hail damage or wind damage, storm damage, take a look at your ridge caps, right? These guys right here. See the discoloration, right? Between these two, your field and your ridge. Take a look at it, shiny. That's a granule loss, right? Usually from hail hits. This is wind damage. You see this missing piece of shingle? That's wind damage. Water comes in, enters this nail hole, it gives you water leaks. It's already rusting out. Right, they're all in blue. You guys see them? I'm about to show you what hail does to your roof. Right, check this out. This is with minimal pressure. Watch. See how loose that is? It's wind damage. Now look at this. Is exactly where the hail hit. Look at that. Right? So let's say you leave it like that. Water will penetrate through here. And look at it right underneath. Those are nails, right? So what's going to happen? Water's going to come in through this hole. It's going to find itself through these nail holes. And eventually will travel and get right underneath and find its way through that nail hole. Now you have a leak. Here's another area I've already marked off. Look how easy it is. As soon as the summer comes in, this is going to get busted. Look at that. This is every single one of them. And some more than others. But look at that. That's every single one. Some people say, oh, I don't have a leak yet. You don't have a leak yet, right? But sooner or later, it's gonna leak. And that's what you're supposed to get a professional out here. Ooh, that's hot. Today's like 80 degrees. Look at that. That's hot. You know, not every single area has it, but where the hail hit, look at that. And it'll find its way through the nail hole. Right? Check this guy out. That's a double tap. It won't come as easy, but look, let's see. Look at that. All right, so that's one way to check to see if you guys have hail. Grab a ladder, climb the roof safely first of all. Get up and inspect it. Look for those markings, look for your ridge caps, loss of granules on the shingles. If you can puncture your finger through the shingle like that, you have hail damage specifically in those areas. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 210-900-0977. We're here in San Antonio to help our community out. We're here to educate you, show you what's wrong, work with you, whether it's a cash estimate or you're going through your insurance. Either way, we'll come out, inspect it, take a look at it, educate you on the process, the products, time frame. 210-900-0977. See you guys in the next one.